Greetings, my friends. This is Dawid Isaias, Senior Producer with Ashanti TV and Sales Director for Unimedia USA. And I can't tell you just how excited I am to be here today to talk to you about a new product line that we're offering here at Unimedia, just in time for Broadcast Asia 2013. The product that I want to talk to you today about is called Unistreamer. I'm going to give you a few details as well as walk you through the complete installation and configuration of the software. So let's go ahead and get started now. What if I told you that for $1,500 or less, without a Blackmagic or DatLink card, you could be streaming your channel live to Justin TV, Livestream, Ustream, Roku, or Google, with the ability to also use Adobe Media Server, Wowzer, or Red 5, all complete with scheduling and automation and our advanced CG graphics suites integrated into the core of this solution. Would you believe me? That's why we're so excited to bring to you today our new Unistreamer product line. Now, if you've installed any of our demos in the past, you'll know just how easy this software is to install. And we provide everything that you need to download and install the software, including instructions, from our uniplay.tv website. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the MySQL installer. And then you want to go ahead and download the latest DirectX, both of which we have here on the site, as you can see. And then you also want to download the demo of Unistreamer. To do that, you need to be a registered user. And we need to go ahead and activate your account for downloads. So once you register, we'll do that. And now what we do is we go in, and first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the MySQL server. We do a complete installation. Click next here. We're going to click finish. Click next to go ahead and do the configuration, which is standard. Make sure that the port is open on the firewall. Install it as a Windows service, and we're going to insert an easy to remember password here. And then we just wait for the instance configuration to go ahead and finish off. Okay, let it go ahead and start the service and apply the settings, and we're done. So the next thing we do is we're going to come over here and we're going to install DirectX with the installer. And we always have to remind users that when you're creating or importing media files, that any media file that plays in Windows should play in Uniplay. We have our favorite selections of media formats that we use in optimal situations, but Uniplay will play everything from an MPEG-4 to a .mov file to .avi files. But you do want to make sure that you have a variety of codecs installed on your system as well. So let's go ahead and finish that out. And now we're going to go ahead and install the Unistreamer demo. All right. And there we go. So we put our MySQL password to make sure we install our database here. And we can just save using those default selections. And now we are set to run the Unistreamer product. There you go. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go through some basic configuration elements here. We're going to go ahead and put a sample media file in the filler, just so that we can have some video that's going to play out, for testing. And you've seen other tutorials where we talked about how to use the filler in the playout. And as you can see, the interface, although this one's a little bit fancier, but the elements in the interface, including the client, are pretty much the same. So now all we have to do is come here. We're going to choose our broadcast configuration, and we're going to configure this first for Justin TV. So all we have to do is select these elements, and then we go ahead and copy our assigned Justin key into here, and we're going to save this. Go to video, make sure that we got things the way we need it. Save and exit out of there. And once we click the Start Streaming button, the client is actually streaming directly out to Justin TV. No need, again, for a Blackmagic card or any other type of interface video card. We are connected directly using real-time media player format directly to Justin TV. So now if we connect to our Justin TV launch page, we'll see that the video will actually show there once this page finishes loading. It's a little slow, but and if you just happen to be here, you're welcome to go ahead and follow and share this link with others. But there you have it. Now you can see that the feed is actually playing out through our Justin TV page. All right. So next we're going to go back and show you how we have this configured to broadcast to our Flash Media Server. We're actually using the new Adobe Media Server 5.0, which I find runs a little bit more stable than the previous version. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you this client interface should be familiar to those of you who've used our Uniplay demo. This is the client. It's very similar. We do have some different settings here for Unistreamer, but just to show you, this is our filler that has a bunch of different media files in it, and is playing out currently. So what we want to do is we want to come over here, and we're going to right click in this area, and we're going to go back to broadcast configuration, and we're going to click where it says broadcast setting. And if you know, if you've used Flash Live Encoder, then you know that when you connect to your Adobe Media Server or your Flash Media Server, you have to identify the location of the server. So since this is a live broadcast, we use the RTMP protocol, and this is going out to local hosts. We have this NATed so that our external IP connects to this internal IP address using a network access translation. And then we're calling the live service, the live packager service from Adobe Media Server. So the next thing we need to identify the name of the stream that we want to create. And we do that. If I can just pull up another copy of Flash Live Encoders for you guys to see. Okay, so this is what we would have in Flash Media Live Encoder. This is the actual stream name. So what we would do is this name, as you can see, here's our FMS URL. This is Flash Media Live Encoder broadcasting to the Flash Media Server. So this is our packager, and this is our stream name. So this element right here, or the custom element that you create, is what goes here. Alright, so once you do that, you can save that and then choose exit, and now this is running. And let's go ahead and turn on the streaming. Alright, so to test this, just to make sure it's working, we can actually pull up the open source media format page by going to this link, and we put our URL for the stream here, and you can, if you're using the Adobe Media Server, you can refer to the documentation as far as how to create this stream. And then we click preview, and that loads it up, and once we click our play button, as you can see, this is our stream now playing in this custom and open source Flash media player. So there you go. So again, a very exciting product. We're really excited about this. We hope that it opens new doors to broadcasters that they didn't have opportunities, increase opportunities for them that they didn't have before. And we think that at the price point, that this is a very, very powerful offering from us, and we hope that you enjoy it. Okay, my friends, until next time, again, Dawid Isaias, producer with Ashanti TV and sales director with Unimedia USA. Please feel free to contact us at the listed information below, and we hope to see you soon.